All right, so about to head out and get my paycheck. Head to Burlington, deposit in the bank. It's a large, rumbly thunderstorm going on to the northeast, but the thunder's actually coming from northwest. But it seems like the clouds are coming from the prevailing wind direction. Yeah, all to the north. You can see that stack right there. Yeah, so we got some allergens coming in nicely. And actually, I think these might be something I could actually possibly harvest and use as grain. I don't know. How to tell if your bardocks are first year or second year? These ones are second year because we're shooting up, and these are going to produce the burrs. Whereas this late in the season, your first year plants are staying squat and low to the ground. So that means like these guys here will be the ones that'll probably want to harvest as soon as they start losing leaves in the fall and all the nutrients go back into the root. And in this bright sunshine and high heat, I guess I'll go this way. See the dense foliage now that it stopped raining long enough for things to really grow. There's a bunch more bardock back there and nettles. Check on my ruderalis real quick. Ooh, that shade is nice. It's in the 90s outside. It's 110 on my porch, at least at the roof part. Fucking poison ivy growing up in the middle of the path, damn it. So apparently this might be wild carrot itself. I could probably pick that, and I don't know if it's edible or not at that point. Well, what I'm really looking for is the rudies. Listen to that thunder. All right, what do we got? We got a little guy there. And some little guys there. Oh, those are girls. Those little squat females. There's a bunch. That's where you step, Rob. Step on them out here. You see the spots that get direct sun pretty much all the time. They stay pretty bare. Yeah, those really haven't grown much. And let's see what we got over here. Oh, there's a little one back there. Oh, there's a little guy starting to come up, and that's the flower. Yay! These ones, once they start to flower, I think it's about 4 to 6 weeks before they're harvestable. So I've definitely got a phased harvest thing going on here, just for the time that the seeds took hold. You get X number of days after seed. These are what's called an auto flower. They will just automatically flower after so many days or weeks. Oh, I got raspberries out here too. Cool. That's exciting. Fruits. So happy's in the middle of it. And these, I don't know what these little ferny things, those are not carrot. And there was a couple of the, oh, here's one. That's what I was looking for. Got flower there. Big fat female plants there. Oh, it is so much cooler in the woods. That's awesome. And yeah. quick, I'm going to scoot over to the other Mayapple patch. This one's over here, didn't have a whole lot. See, the game trail is well in use. Good neighbors' dogs come through here too. Aphids or something going on there. It'd be awesome to see freaking hemps popping up here, but I don't think that's going to happen. Too many other plants. This is all poison ivy. Be careful because I got holes in my jeans. Oh, that's so much nicer. It's no less humid, but the temperature just dropped another 10 degrees walking under that. Oh, bugs. See this sinkhole still growing too. It's like the water runs down that and drains into there, and then there's a hollow underneath. Everything I'm walking on right now is actually an old, basically a homemade landfill of the people that lived around here were dumping in this gully because apparently people in the 50s, 60s, and 70s were unthinking pieces of shit. Never ceases to amaze me. That's like the God gave us the earth to ravage its resources nonsense. Like, no. Let's see. This will be the best way through. Will it? Yeah. Got to see the avenues become obvious. Not nearly as wet. On a major highway here. That's poison oak. Fence line, west, main trail. Oh man, these creepers are really getting tall. And it's still too wet down here to bring the tractor, especially with that dry belt issue. There's back to that main avenue. Oh, here's a big homie. Still growing. It's getting there. It's not quite though, but these freaking creepers are starting to take over too. Unfortunately, this may be ruined. I hope not. But you simply cannot harvest these early. There's one. E. All right. That was a walk. I think basically the neighbor dogs have a trail that runs on the other side of the fence as well. See them up in there frequently, but I believe they also come up through here since there's basically a trail that runs all the way up on the other side of this thicket. Ooh, maybe it is moving in a little bit. Alrighty, check out my guys over here. Over here. Okay, this one has not reflowered. Oh, yes, it is. It's got another flower, some trichomes at the joints. Oh, yeah, look at those. Look at those beautiful flowers. Look at those beautiful, beautiful flowers. Oh, yeah. Fabulous. Look marvelous. Look at all of those. This one's going to be a beast, man. Find any more in here? Oh, raspberries are still coming in. Excellent. Getting a little color. mulberries are due in a second. This one's a particularly robust plant. That's a good solid 18 inches. That's about as big as that kind of plant gets. Almost stepped on that one. Many flowers on that little guy. There's a female there. And another one there. Doing good here. Excellent. Fantabulous. That one's really making me proud. Good job. Way to automatically do the thing your genes make you do. Come over here real quick before I end this. Made the mistake of pulling my radish up. And looks like we are getting some, oh good, it's growing, cool. All of the big leaves on that radish died because I pulled it to see what was going on underneath, and there's a taproot, but there was barely anything. And now these other turnip-looking doohickeys are starting to kind of, I don't know if they're going to seed or what, so I'm gonna have to pull one of these and see what's up. But that one was nowhere near ready. And hopefully we get some, ooh, look at that, some real rain today. Because these kind of need it. It's just really hot. Mater plant just thriving, sprung up huge. Pepper plant kind of got knocked over for some reason, but it looks like it's starting to sprout a bit. This thing that I think is a sweet pea is stunted and not really doing anything. That 100% sucks. I really wanted some goddamn peas. And none of my cucumber or squash vines came up at all, which really sucks. But I'll see if I got some pumpkin seeds that'll sprout, and I'll actually use the planting pods. See, I'm hoping these guys don't turn out to be second years, and I just let some plants that I can't harvest sit and occupy my yard. But anyways, back to that old snake skin from the last video that is uploading now. Crazy. Definitely a constrictor, not a threat. Snake like that won't try and get a cat or anything. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's relatively fresh. My goodness. Right in my path to let me know. That's insane. I'm going to have to identify that. That is a wild animal scat. And that's a predator. And that's kind of big. Okie dokie then. This is why we have a brush gun. That's a surprise. All right, going to end it here.